for many years, and when I say many, it's only about 3 to 4 years, I've been making YouTube content and I've been preaching the same thing every day, and that is to trade with the traps. Okay? Trade with the traps is something I have preached for quite some time now, and it come from a lot of studying of the market and actually trading it. And one thing I've learned is how trappy this damn market is. The market makers, all that, the composite man, all that. This whole market is rigged against us. We are not the house. We're the retail traders. They use us as liquidity to do what they really want. Okay? They're not our friends. They don't care about us. So we need to stop trying to impose our will on this market and use this knowledge to our advantage. The knowledge that this is a trappy market, so we need to trade with the traps. Okay? To be a sheep means you follow the price action, and you follow the price action by trading with the traps, which can take time to learn. And if you're willing to learn, put the work in. False breakdown setups, false breakout setups are the greatest trade setups of all time. Those are the main trade setups that I trade, level to level style with runners. And it's something that I've been preaching for quite some time to all my viewers for free. Okay? If I don't say nothing, it could mean one of two things. It could mean I don't truly believe in what I'm saying or what I'm thinking, or I just don't care about my community. And neither of those two things are true. I do believe in that trading with the trap is the best way to trade or day trade, okay, and swing trade. And I do care about my community, which is why I dedicate my life to trade in the stock market. Okay, so guys, if there's one thing that I want everyone to learn from my channel before I pass away, is trading with the traps. Why? Because we trade in a trappy market. The market makers are always looking to trap us. Let me give you an example. You guys know that I've given you guys that 484.5 level. Okay, for quite some time now, I've said that is a Fibonacci level. That's the level to watch. And yesterday I said above it, we are bullish because that would be a false breakdown setup, and below it, we would stay bearish. We are just looking to react to the price action. We're not here to impose our will on the price action. None of that. We're just looking to react. That's it. And I gave you guys the bull case and the bear case scenario. And look what happened today. This is a 15-minute chart. This 1045 candle. We finally, after some chopping, we finally broke down that 485.5 level, which is the level, the fib level on my daily chart. And then what happened at the 11:15 candle? We recaptured 484.5. This is the same stuff I talk about every day. False breakdown setup. Look what happened. Look what happened. This stuff happens almost every day. False breakouts, false breakdowns. Why? Because we are trading in a trappy market. So if we know we are trading in a trappy market, we got to trade with the traps. Breakdown. Right there, we broke down. And then right there, we recaptured. Let me do it from the other side. Right there, we recaptured. That's a false breakdown setup. That's a setup for calls. All right? And it worked out beautifully. We traded level to level. So for above 484.5, I had 46.5 to the 487 zone as a target. It kind of based there, but that's where you would take most profits and leave a runner. The size of your runner is up to you. I'm not going to tell you how much of a runner you should leave, but that's up to you. You secure most profits, you leave a runner. And look what happened. Boom. It pushed right up. Your runners would have caught the home run move. Okay? It happens every day. Look at Tesla. You guys remember I had that fib level. I told you guys 184.5. Tesla started bearish. It broke down my 188 level, which triggered a move down. Hit 186, broke down 186, hit 184.5, and then that's where it bounced. Recaptured 186. False breakdown setup. Look, it just melt right up. Smashing 188, going a little higher. It was good for day trading. And if you want to use this concept for swing trading, you got to do it on the higher time frame. which we're going to talk about in a little bit. And we had the same situation with NVDA. NVDA is volatile. It's not for everybody, but it was volatile. And as usual, it was trappy. I had a 620 level. We broke down 620, bounced around 618-ish, going as low as 16.5-ish intraday. False breakdown, recaptured 620, hit my 622.6 level. False breakout, went back down, 620, hitting 618 again. Level to level style, false breakdown, false breakout, level to level. And then that last false breakdown, when we recaptured 620, it cleared 622.7. It just kept going up from there. So if you was to play the false breakdown, take most profits at 622.6, leave a runner, holy moly, you would have caught this amazing move. All you got to do is stop trying to impose your will on the market. Stop trading bias like a stubborn, I don't know what you want to call you, whatever. Being bull bias, bear bias, don't work. Be a sheep. You guys, bears love me when I talk bearish stuff. Bulls love me when I talk bullish stuff. But that is only part-time love. I don't know if the bears still love me today. They were loving me yesterday. I don't know if they love me today. But I told everybody, guys, watch for those trap setups. I'm not trying to hate or put anyone down here. I'm trying to look out for you guys. I'm trying to look out for us. I'm trying to look out for us. Anyways, so now what? Daily chart. False breakdown setup. Great. Yeah. False breakdown. Recapture 44.5. Yeah, yesterday's high was around 49. We closed at 49.2. That's a little bit above it. And we got that fib level at 490.49. There's also a gap there. 490.5 rounded up there. It's also a gap there, and it's a fib level. That's a critical level, I'd say. If that clears, we're likely going to new all-time highs. Last all-time high was around 491.62, but it's very possible if we clear 490.5 this time, especially with the RSI reset a little bit here, it's likely we go to new all-time highs. All right? Now, for today's pump to be a lower high, as usual, we need the false breakout. Continue to trade with the traps, damn it. So we cleared 489. We break down 489. We got to break down 487. And once again, we got to break down 44.5. All right? And it's very likely, since we already had the false breakdown of all 44.5, it's very likely that if it breaks down again, there won't be no recapture. It's likely if we break down again, we are actually going to head down a lot lower, maybe down to 477. All right? False breakouts equals what? Puts. False breakdowns equals what? Calls. Keep it that simple, guys. And trade with the traps and use my levels. If you don't want to use my levels, come up with your own levels. But I do recommend using my level because I work hard to find these levels. Oh, not that hard, but I put in effort, damn it. Let's move on to QQQ. Inside daily candle setup. I mentioned to everybody, if 419.7 recapture, we could bounce up to 421.7 or maybe a little higher. We did close at 421.88 today. So technically, we did clear that 1.5 fib extension level. But this is an inside daily candle setup, which usually means consolidation. All right? So bears, you guys still have a shot to keep QQQ bearish, technically speaking, okay? It's not over yet for you guys. Now, I'll explain the scenario that will tell you that it is. And the bull case scenario is staying above 421.7 and clearing the mother candle's high. I'm around it to, well, it's at 422.87, okay? It's at 422.87. And then I got that fib level at 423.86. We'll round that one to 424. All right? Those levels clear. It's very likely that the bears drop the ball. Okay? We go fill that gap around 425.5. Fib level at 426.8. And maybe go to previous highs at 428-ish or higher. Okay? The bottom line is above 421.7 and 423.8. I would be bullish on QQQ. All right. Now, to be bearish and make today some type of dead cat bounce, it's got to break down 419.7 and definitely break down the mother candle's low, which is at 416.7. If those levels fail, that means we're bearish, guys. Look for puts or keep holding to your puts with 415 and 413 in play, possibly lower than that. All right, guys. Let me see. NVDA, that thing just went up. Yeah, I mean, it's still looking bullish. Still looking bullish. Still looking bullish. All right, it's trying to clear my 634.8 level. That's around 6. I'm gonna round it to 635. I like my whole numbers. Above 635, stay bullish. I got targets up above at 638.7, 640, 642, and 645. All right. You want to be bearish? We need those false breakouts. Yeah, I got support 633, 630, 628.4, and 625.5. Those are the levels that need to fail tomorrow in order to trigger some puts back to the downside. Otherwise, NVDA is looking bullish. I think they got some good news that came out or something. It's probably why it's going up. Tesla is still overall consolidating, still looking bearish to me. But as of right now, it's looking like it's consolidating. Where is it going to go? Hopefully, we'll find out soon. And I already told you to be bullish. I want to see some type of gap up. If we can't get a gap up, I want to see it recapture some Fibonacci levels, which is 192.3, and recapture this previous pivot low at 194. So far, we didn't get that. So no reason to be bullish just yet on Tesla. Now, for bearish follow through, we still need to break down that fib level at 184.5. Still didn't get that yet. As of right now, it looked like it's consolidating, trying to make up its mind. But you guys know the critical levels to watch. Look to react. I'm gonna cover Dow Jones today. Yeah, I have a fib level, 1.786 fib level at 383. Yesterday, we broke that level down. Today, we recaptured it. That is a false breakdown setup. So my recommendation is to trade with the traps. And right now, the last ones to get trapped were the bears. So as long as above 383, stay bullish. All right, we could break out the next resistance level. Well, I got resistance at 384.5 and 386. Those levels fail. We could go up higher, up to 389 and 390.2. Switch back to bearish below 383 to give us that false breakout. And this is likely going to head down lower if it breaks down this time with 381, 379, 377.4, possibly all the way down to 373.4 in play. Apple, false breakdown setup, recapture that fib level. I would stay bullish on it as long as above 186, although it is gapping down right now. It's just reporting earnings, guys. I'm recording my video a little early, so I'm not sure what's going on with Apple. If they hit or miss, I'm assuming. Oh, I love you. I use a 6-hour chart to track the aftermarket hours and stuff like that, but it's not looking good right now for Apple. Look like it's dropping. A lot can happen until then. I'll have a pre-market video out for my Substack and Discord members to update you guys. But as of right now, best thing I can say is we did recapture 186. So if it drops back below or gap down below 186 tomorrow, that is a false breakout. 182, 180, and 178 are support. If those levels fail tomorrow, bearish. Okay, we're bearish. Where's that 200 daily moving average? 200 is at 182-ish. Below the 200, we are bearish on Apple right now. Holy smokes. Oh, man, this is so exciting. I think they missed something, guys. Oh, I can't wait to talk about this in the pre-market, guys. Oh, boy. Okay, remember the levels I gave you guys, and especially the 200 daily. Don't tell me Apple is bullish when it's below the 200 daily. All right? As of right now, remember, above 186, bullish. Below 186, bearish. This is going to be exciting tomorrow. AMD got an inside daily candle set up here, and it's trying to gap up below 172.5. I'd be bullish with 175, 178, and 180 plus in play. I would switch back to bearish. Well, it's got to be below 172.5. That's for darn sure. I got support at 171 and 164. 164 is when I would definitely be bear bias on AMD, okay? Amazon is trying to go for a bounce, and it's gapping up. It also reported earnings. I'm thinking it did good. People love their online shopping. Holy moly, it's around 168. What levels do I have above 168? I got 170, 171.45. I'm going to have to move the 20 real quick. 170. All right, so 170, 171.45, 174, 177.5, and 179. Those are the upper targets I have for Amazon. Support is at 166, 164.7, 163, 161.5, 160, and 158, guys. Please add these levels to your chart. It's about to go down. Holy moly. Meta. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Let me show you the 6 hour. Man, look at that, guys. Look at the power of Fibonacci, bro. The power of Fibonacci, bro. Yeah, I mean, let me tell you, earnings. I just love price action trading, man. I want to cry sometimes. Earnings is gonna get the credit. I know earnings gonna get the credit for this, but come on, guys. Look at the power of Fibonacci. I told you got 384.3. Some people were complaining, Uncle, that 454 level is far away, man. It's 454 is far away, Uncle. We need more levels, and I told you guys that's the level I got. Is it far away now? Is it 454 far away now? This is what I love about the stock market. Holy shit. So yeah, 454 is the next Fibonacci level. If that clears, I don't know how it's going to happen, but if it does, I mean, we've seen what happened with NVDA. Let's not forget what happened to Tesla back in 2020. Like, shit happens. Holy shit. Oh my goodness, earnings seasons, baby. If 454 clears, man, it's bullish. We're going to go parabolic. All right, I have no levels. I have no support levels, guys. I don't even know how to chart this. Let me see. Hold on. We're going to figure this out. I mean, we could chart the candle, right? I'm going to chart the problem with charting this candle because we don't know where it's going to end. That's why I can't chart this candle. We don't know where it's going to end. It could still go up. Maybe it'll pull back. But one thing I'm going to tell you is 454 is a Fibonacci level. They could drop from there. They could be some sellers waiting there above it. Watch out for false breakouts. Holy shit. Yeah, I might cover Meta in the pre-market tomorrow, guys. This is too interesting. I might throw Meta in the pre-market just to see, because I don't know what to say about this right now. I'm stumped. Netflix, to be bullish, 570 and 571.7 must clear, and we're bullish. Heading up to, we could head up back up to 580, to be honest with you. This stock is so darn volatile. To be bearish, I got support at 567.5, 564, and 561. Those levels fail. We could drop down to 558.5, 555 or lower. Below 555, I'd be bear bias on Netflix. Google still lingering around after that crazy sell-off from earnings. We're just lingering around, basing 142.3. It could be bear flagging, you never know. But 142.3 and 141 are support. If those levels fail, we could go down lower. Could go down a lot lower. 144, 146, and 147.3 are still resisted. If it wants to put a bottom in, it's gotta recapture some levels. Microsoft look like it's trying to go for a bounce here. As long as above 42.2, we got a false breakdown setup on our hand, okay? 408, well, 406 and 408 is next resistant. Those clear 410, 411.8. Possibly all the way back up to 415 could be in play. Below 42.2, then the false breakdown setup is invalidated. And if it gets invalidated, that's our sign to be bearish. So below 42.2 would be bearish. 400, 398, 395.4 would all be in play, possibly even lower than that. All right, guys, let's take a look at the dark pool. 489. 52% of activity came at the 489 level, 1.3 billion. Not that as much as liquidity as yesterday, but it's at the 489 level. And about a little over 900 million, it's at 483. And we had a lot of activity at the 483 level yesterday. Okay, somebody bought the dip, guys. But the next one is at 489, a lot today, and we already broke above that. So, I don't know. These people, they know something. But those are the levels to watch if you're paying attention to dark pool levels. All right? The flows were bullish yesterday too, guys. The flows were bullish. But look at this. The flows are bearish. Bears. I told y'all. It's not over for y'all yet. Y'all still got a chance. You know what I mean? I don't want to give you guys false hope. Stay sheepish and manage those damn risks. I'm not one of those people that call tops and bottoms, okay? Stay sheepish, manage those risks, maximize risk management. But yeah, it is bearish. Triple Q, it's bearish. I see IWM usually disagrees. It's agreeing. Since I covered Dow Jones today, Dow Jones is bearish as well. Holy moly, what's gonna happen tomorrow? I'm so freaking excited. Who's getting trapped? NVDA is bullish. Tesla is bearish. Uh-oh. Apple, bullish. AMD, bullish. Meta, bullish. Netflix, bullish. Google's bearish. Microsoft is bullish. And yeah, that's about it. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, trade with the traps. And good luck tomorrow. Oh, man, it's going to be real interesting with everything that's happening after hours. I can't wait. I'll update you guys in the pre-market. Subscribe to my Substack. It's going to be great. Discord members, love you guys. Peace.